In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Chevy Colorado. Let's get into it. Underneath the vehicle, the engine oil pan is located right here. We're going to put a drain bucket underneath, and then using a 13mm socket, take the drain plug out. And drain the oil. On the plug, you want to take this gasket off. Just use a pick, get underneath it. Take that off. Get a new gasket. And you just want to put that on. That's good. It's strained out. Put the drain plug back in. Snug that up. Now we're going to torque this to 19 foot-pounds. That's good. Just wipe any residual with a rag. And the oil filter is located closer to the front of the vehicle, right there behind this shield. We're going to use a strap wrench. Just go around the filter. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You want to loosen that up. And pull that out. We'll just take a rag and on the housing, just wipe the area. Make sure the gasket isn't still attached to it. It's a good idea to look at the bottom of the old one or the top. Make sure the gasket's still attached to the oil filter. That looks good. Take the new filter, some fresh engine oil, and just wipe it on the gasket. And install the new filter. And once it's snug, you want to go another half turn to 3/4 of a turn. That's good. Take a little brake parts cleaner. Just clean up the area. You can just wipe it with a rag. There we go. That looks good. We have the oil cap right here. I'm going to take that off, twist it to the left, put a funnel in there, nice clean funnel, and using the appropriate oil, we're going to put 6 quarts in here, and we're using 5W30 synthetic oil. And that's 6 quarts. Remove the funnel, put the cap back on. I'm going to start it, let it run for about 10 seconds and shut it off. After letting it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, we can pull the dipstick out, wipe it off with a rag, reinsert the dipstick. Pull it out again, and we want the oil in between the hash marks, preferably about 3/4 to the top, which is about where we are, right about there. If the dipstick is off, then wait a couple more minutes, double check it. If you have to, adjust accordingly. I'm going to start by turning the key in the on position with the engine off. Then on the dash, you're going to push the trip button until you get to the oil life, reset, and then we're going to hold the button down. until you hear the beeps, and then it's been reset. And you can scroll out of there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.